Hi everyone, I am Rania Patil and in today's video, we are diving into a fundamental yet crucial aspect of Python, that is indentation. So if you are new to Python, this is something you absolutely need to understand. So let's get started. In Python, indentation isn't just about making your code look neat, it actually defines blocks of code. It tells the Python interpreter that a group of statements belong to a specific block. Indentation is achieved using white space that are spaces or tabs at the beginning of each line. And here is a tip for you all that although you can use any number of spaces for indentation, the recommended practice is to use a tab for better code organization and cleaner look. Now let's look at one of the example of indentation in Python. Here I am using the if statement. So if true, then I'll use space here. Then I will print my statement that is this is correct indented. Now I will run this. See, this is my correct output. Now, coming to indentation errors in Python. An indentation error occurs when there's an inconsistency in spaces or tabs, or when indentation isn't placed correctly. Some of the common causes of indentation errors are misplacing gaps and spaces, placing some indent wrong, failing to properly indent compound statements like those used in for loops, while loops, and if statements. Now, let's look at indentation in different scenarios. Indentation in functions. In Python, function definitions must have properly indented code inside them. The statements inside the function should be indented at the same level. Now, let's look at the examples. The first function definition I'm using here is, let's say hello. Now our colon. Here I won't take any indentation. I will directly write print hello Python. Now I will run this code. See, here it is giving me an indentation error because an indentation was expected here for block after the function definition on line number 2. Now I will write the correct code here. My function first def say hello, then I will take space here first, then I will write print statement, that is print hello Python. Now I will call my function, that is say hello. See, this is my output. Now coming to indentation and conditional statements. So conditional statements like if, elif, and else require proper indentation. The code inside these blocks must be indented to avoid errors. Here I am taking example of if statement. So if true, then okay, if true, then I won't take here any indentation. Print condition met. See, here it is giving the indentation error because I haven't taken any indented block here. Now writing the correct code. If true, then after the indentation, print condition met. Now I will also write the else here. Else after the indentation, print condition not met. Now I will run my code. See here it is giving if true then print met, condition met, and here is my output. Now finally indentation in loops. In loops, whether for or while must have their nested statements intended correctly to function properly. Otherwise, Python will throw an indentation error. So first looking at the example of indentation error, I am using for loop here. For I in range 3. Now, without taking any indentation, I will print I. See here, print I has given indentation error because an indented block was expected here. Now, coming to correct code, for I in range 3. Now, after the indentation, I will write print I. See, it has given me the correct output. And that's all for today's video. I hope this cleared up any confusion about indentation in Python. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!